All right, here we go. Lesson 69. We are almost getting done with March. Then we only have April and May. All right, so we can see that 12 of us have already done this, which is awesome. 11 have done this one. All right, so we have two ed puzzles, one about using engineering to make the world's longest field goal. The other is mechanical engineering. And then we have two brain pops on how engineers affected America and the world through the Industrial Revolution and the assembly line. Two examples of engineering. Okay? So let's get those done. Don't forget that you do have some quarter-long projects. You've got two videos coming up, your race car video and your instructional video. You have a couple of EverFis, so don't forget about those things.